Hello and welcome to How to Guide. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Twitch account or disable it. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open twitch.tv, make sure that you are logged into your account. What you need to do next is click on the profile over here on the top right hand side and click on channel. It will take you to your channel and you can see that the settings, if it is not available here, you can click on settings. Scroll all the way down. Under the profile option, you can see disable your Twitch account. If you want to disable your Twitch account, you can do so from the disable account page. So you can go ahead and click on this link and you can tell Twitch why you are disabling your account, but it is optional, so you can just skip it or you can give the feedback if you want. After that, what you need to do is write down the password to your Twitch account. After you have written the password to your Twitch account, click verify and you can finally delete your Twitch account. Let me show it to you once again. First of all, open twitch.tv on any of your browser and go to your profile. After you go to your profile, click on settings. Then under the profile option, scroll all the way down and find disabling your Twitch account. Click on disable account. You can write down why you are disabling your account and click on disable account over here. Then write down your password, check it and make sure it is correct and click verify and click delete again and your Twitch account will be disabled and deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.